So I'll show you how to break down one fish. A fish has got a bone head to tail. So ideally what you want to do is follow that bone. But to start with, we're going to break it down this bone side here, then we're going to break it down this side, and then we're just going to take the whole fillet off. My knife is on the bone here, so I'm just going to follow the bone. You know, the ideal way of doing fish, if you look at sushi guys, they just do one slice. You don't need to do this kind of thing with the knife. So it's just one slice, either side of the bone.
So the trick is having a very sharp knife.
Absolutely. And then we take this, and we're just going to take up the fin, and cut it, and my knife has hit the bone there. So now I stop, and I come down to the edge here. So I've got this part here. And we do the same on the other side. All the way down to the bone, and now I've stopped on the bone here. So I've opened it up a little bit here. Now I need to do the same thing on the back side of the bone. Now again, I'm going down, I'm putting my knife in, and I'm just going to all the way down the side of the bone. One stroke. Try and get it further into the center, one smooth cut. And then we go in here, we hold it up. You know, I like to kind of get my fingers in here so your knife is not getting caught here. In here. Now you need to get through that initial bone. And now you're going straight down. There's your fillet right there. See the bone?
Yeah.
There's that main bone there. There's also bones this way, which we went all the way down. You know, you see there's no waste. So now we have the two fillets. Now this one is trimmed already. What I typically do is I run my finger down the edge here. There's a piece of fat along here and skin that you want to take off. Again, single knife, straight down. To get the actual bones out this side, the belly bones, single strokes. And then we're left with this fillet.